Wagwan again nowadays, all three main ingredients in this video was brought here in Jamaica by the slaves. The ackee been around from the 1700 and the ackee is native to West Africa, Guyana to be exact. The breadfruit is native to New Guinea and breadfruit was brought here as something cheap to feed the slaves. Saltfish imported from Europe and Canada, and the ackee and the saltfish, even though it's still food, but that's Jamaican national dish. I combine ackee and saltfish, the breadfruit, and make a delicacy. Ackee people, there's a few ackees on the tree. I want to pick them because I don't know if I'm going to eat them. I want them to do a dish. So you have one here, so you have the next one here, so I have a few in the tree I want to climb and pick the same way, you know. And so you have one here, so you have the next one right here, so yeah, I want to climb and pick them and clean them right now. Alright, please, so I find a few ackees here, so I'm going to clean them and boil them, right? And freeze them, but I'm not boil them soft. I don't know, when I put them in the freezer, it'll kind of cook them too, so if I cook them well soft, but I take it off, cook it, it'll too soft and thing. Even though like ackee, you go on the fridge, but I have to do it because the vlog I'm on, we can't do it now, so I'm going to store ackee them. So I'm showing how to clean ackee because some people can't clean ackee in the car. So a lady, she clean ackee and she eat these red peas. Because when you pick up ackee on the pod, some red peas they leave in the ackee and thing. And she never know, so I'm showing how to clean ackee. They can do two ways, right? They can wring out the seed. See? And they clean the inside of it like this. Right? Or there's a knife and cut out the seed. But you waste some amount of ackee on the seed, but you don't know. You can do it two ways. I can wring out the seed, I can do it this way. And make sure say the inside of it clean. Right? But me love do it this way. Me love wring out the seed because I don't know get more of the ackee. But sometimes wring out the seed. Right? It's right here, so. The black something there, I come up with the seed, you have to cut it out the same way. Make sure say ackee clean and nice, so I just repeat the process and clean them here, boil them as I say, rub oil on them, put it in the freezer. So soon when time I do that video here, so soon checking back. Alright, peace, so see ackee them here, well clean and thing and nice, so I get them cook and store now. So I say cook them, rub oil on them so then the freezer burn and store them. Yeah. So soon when time I do it, cook up with them here with some saltfish and thing and some as well. When I see the title still, so when we know, but yeah man, so soon when I cook them here, yeah. See I can pick the breadfruit here, you know, with one hand stick and heavy. So, wow. I might try to pick it. Alright, please, I pick it and then check it back because boy, stick heavy and I can manage pick it one hand. You know, see, I have quite a number of them on the tree, you know. Alright, soon check it. Alright, nice small one here. Yeah man, it's not use right now. Mats up. Dish me on mats up. Yeah. I'm gonna get this. So today I'm gonna make some breadfruit balls. So breadfruit balls, I'm going to do that with some ackee. And ackee from the other day, but then some cook it and store it with saltfish and all the ingredients that we are using. So the pot on the fire ready. So let's get the breadfruit them start out. About half or 3/4 of the breadfruit. Knife and sharp them up. Alright. Now about this, I'm not do a whole heap. Cut them fine so they can cook fast. And remember guys, watch the ads. That's what make a revenue. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Yeah. Alright, one more thing. And let me say, put it in the pot because I want to hack it out. Yeah. So soon back when time the pot boil up and things, so soon checking back again we put it on. And put little salt in the pot because I don't want to be fruit ball with the salt. Yeah. So I get off the pot off of the fire, you know. I get the pot off of the fire and throw off the water same time. Alright. So I'm going now, come show them. So we have the saltfish already boiled up already, you know. And the ackee here is already, the melt and thing already. So what we already know, I get the seasoning cut up. Get to put it in it. Well, everything can go in there, everything I use. Yeah. Cut it up as fine as possible because it's a health flavor the breadfruit, you know. And then the Maggi, I come in it, show them in it. So we have Maggi in it already, and we look at season. Look at the salt. I'm on egg guys, that egg we're going to do, we're on egg right now, but I'll get to deal with now. So this now just crush out. So I'm soon talking about them, we don't get them in crush. Alright, so we're going there. The spoon, that's too long. So I'm going to get a chicken buckle, wash it off. Yeah. Alright, so as you know guys, this is the breadfruit with the little Maggi season, with the salt and herbal season. So I'm getting a little flour. You need it. So seal like a dumpling. Gwaan, yeah? Yeah, man. So I have a few more. You can roll. Alright, so I'll get the stuff sorted out. For the saltfish and the ackee. Alright. Cut up the thing now. Garlic. You know, when I cut up the time. Now cut that. And then cut up. Alright. Cut off the ackee and saltfish. Alright. Now cut out some of them here. Alright. So get the saltfish start out. Already boiled off as I said earlier. Alright, go look at it now. Let me cut it into a Gwaan. So see how we saltfish, everything then cut up, come out now, and we breadfruit balls. Get the pot back on the fire. Get going with the pot already hot already. So we can go in with the seasoning. So I'll get in the saltfish in the oil. I'm going to fry with my oil. I'm going to flavor the oil. I'm going to do the herbal seasoning now. You think I can label how you can cut it lean. Go ahead with the saltfish now. Take out the garlic there. Alright guys, so I come and show you. Let's have breadfruit bars. So I'm going to taste it without the salt and ackee first and say taste. To me, this is nicer than a regular boiled breadfruit. So when I boil it, you not get taste like this. It's this much more starfler and all that. And you don't taste like when you breadfruit. Yeah, man, so the in between, the roast one and the boiled one, it tastes better than the boiled one to me. Because I don't know the season and all that. So we're going with the saltfish and ackee. Nice. So much don't say no. Nice man.